So on the way from Invercargill or Bluff to Dunedin, this is on the main road between Balclutha, about 7 kilometres or 7 minutes out of Balclutha, heading towards Milton. And there's this little spot on the side of the road called Old Sod Cottage. There she goes, Old Sod Cottage. So I've never stopped here, and it's been here forever, and I've thought, what's this all about? What's the Old Sod Cottage all about? So I pulled over, and there's this little spot here, and it's got a sign on it saying, open the door, shut when leaving, thank you. Just remember, if you go through a gate and it's not yours, leave it the way you found it. Little picnic spot there. Now, I don't think anyone comes here anymore. It's just a random spot. But you can go inside. Check that out. Wow. I didn't know this was what this was. I just thought it was a little house. It's a fully decked out little cottage. Let's take one of these. Absolutely amazing. So it's a miniature, it's a little miniature museum. Absolutely amazing, look. There's an old bed, quilt on it. Check that out. Lottie was just saying to me, what are you stopping here for? Just a bit more crapola? No way, look at this. Over there it says, the eternal God is thy refuge, and underneath are the everlasting arms. Wow. Look at that. There's all sorts of stuff in here. There's an old sewing machine over there. That's the fireplace. So that's where you do all your old cooking. Say old cooking, that's where you did all your cooking, stuff like that. Our house had a double place like this in it. There was one on this side, and the room behind it had one on the other side of the chimney, so it's a double chimney going up. Absolutely stunning. They've got all sorts of stuff in here. It's all locked up, so we can't go in there, which is good. Don't really need to go in there. Some kitty bags down there. Oh, another fireplace at this end. Wow. So you could probably divide it in half and have 2 little houses in here. It'd be crazy. There's our refuge and strength little hand crocheted piece over there. Cool. Thank you for your support. There's a little donation box here. I haven't got any money on me at the moment. Stupid cards these days, so I'm going to make sure when I come past this way next time I'm going to drop some in. Definitely. Women's Institutes. There's a little book here, so I'm going to put my name in here. And cool. So stop on the side of the road. Whenever you see a sign, just stop and have a look what it is. And you never know. It could be something like this. You never know. Thanks, guys. We'll get on the road again, eh? I'm going to sign this book.